Guys, today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your DaZn app. So you just follow these ways then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Just scrolling down here until you found here apps, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list and here you're looking for DaZn app. Or just click on search. Then here at DaZn app it's going to show for you like this, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You click on for stop, click on OK. Then you're scrolling down here until you will find here storage, click on it. Then you click on clear cache. So then you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. You search here for DaZn app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.